So we're here at the Novotel Shanghai in Jing'an, and we just checked in, and we're in the lobby now. We're about to go upstairs. One thing we did ask the staff about was ordering from Pinduoduo. If you don't know about it, hopefully you have a chance to use it. It's, we order stuff online. So, but what we wanted to show you was the coffee area. So I don't know if they're open now or not, but hopefully we can grab some because it looks like they have pour over. They have a grinder, a hand grinder. So hopefully they have something really delicious here. We will check on it tomorrow. I'm assuming it's already afternoon, so probably they're not open, or they might just be on a break. Maybe nobody ordered anything. But now, oh, and we also have this Disney machine. And I'm not sure what this song is because it was also playing on the other. I don't know. I don't think we're going to. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. So when we were washing our clothes yesterday, we kept hearing this song. So I'm confused. Are we in the right elevator? Yeah. Mm. Wait, no, then it is correct. All right. Yeah. Mm.
Not loading. I'll come back.
Wait, is it 13?
No,
Oh, 7? 7? Oh, sorry. Okay, so looks like our room is right here. Okay, this one. What are you doing?
let's go. I need to.
So, we're inside. Let's see. There we go, boom. All right, so, okay, this one is way bigger. I'm not sure if they upgraded me or if this hotel is just a bigger hotel. I have to look on the categories or not, but this is a lot bigger than what we had. I mean, it's also more expensive, but I don't know. So we're in Jingan. Ooh, look at all this.
Nice.
I don't know if this has the thing to spray your butt or not. I don't think so, but you can just grab this, spray your butt.
So that one is better.
I don't know. I don't know. This one. They're both Novotels, a little different, but yeah, this is way more space, and we'll be here 7 nights So this is nice. We got the shoe horns.
Yay!
Two of them for some reason. We have robes. I have two robes. We have iron. What is this? And just a normal thing. What about in here? No, nothing. So let's look at our station. Oh. So this is same thing, mini bar. This one doesn't have the specialty coffee like the other one. But these same delicious waters are here. So that's good.
But it's here.
But we can get specialty coffee downstairs. So that's fine. But yeah, this is nice because I can actually use the laptop. Okay, so you trade one thing for another, we're good. So yeah, we'll explore the hotel, I guess the gym and all that. Then we'll do breakfast tomorrow morning, and that's about it. So this is our first breakfast at the Novotel Shanghai in Jing'an, and we have some, I guess this is Xiaolongbao, and we have some dumpling. Let me try this one. I'm just gonna use my hand. It's falling apart. Okay. Delicious. And then we have some dumpling. We're still waiting on our noodles, and then we'll see what else we can eat. So I don't know exactly what kind of noodles these are, but they look delicious. Look at this. Ooh. If I can grab them. Something different, but still delicious. Really nice. So we were able to order packages to the hotel from Pinduoduo. So if you don't know what that app is, I guess it sucks for you. But we order online. So you guys know Temu, you guys know all that stuff. But now I'm gonna open this and let's see what we got. So this is for bug bites because we will be traveling through a lot of countries where we'll get some mosquitoes and other critters biting us. So this is supposed to help, so we'll test it out and I guess let you guys know later if it works or not, because I'm sure something is going to be biting us throughout our journeys the next few months. So this is our second breakfast. We missed breakfast yesterday. Yeah, we woke up late, so we woke up early this time to catch breakfast. So let's just dig in and see. Nice bacon. And my wife has some rice. Another great breakfast here. This is the gym at the Novotel in Jing'an. And you scan your room key to enter. There you go. And as you can see already, the gym is pretty stacked. We have some, whatever those are, I don't even know what they're called, I barely use them. But you have your squat racks, your bench, all kinds of different machines. You have the Smith machine. Again, I don't use those. I usually just do squat, bench press, and then, deadlift. I do the main lifts and then accessories. But whatever the case, everything you need is there. Dumbbells and all that. But while I have you guys here, one thing that for some reason either we did not record or I can't find the file is the laundry. But just so you know, the laundry here is self-service and it's on the same floor. So it's pretty straightforward. There's nothing really to explain. We just wanted to let you guys know that there is laundry there. And another tip is, if you want to know if the laundry exists in the hotel, you picked in China, the best way to look would be to find that hotel in trip.com, and it will tell you if it's self-service laundry or just, the general laundry where you have to pay and send it. But most likely in China, especially the major cities, the hotels will have the self-service laundry. And another thing is, on our TV, you can check if the dryer or washer is taken because it's smart laundry. So that saves you a lot of time. But as far as that, we're back at the gym. Yep, here's the squat rack. And here's the bench. Here's the incline bench. So everything you need is here in the gym. And it's really accessible. So this location is really good. Again, it's close to the blue line